In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Open Invoice and collection reports in QuickBooks. Learn QBO Advanced. If you want a clear picture of who owes you and what needs attention, this walkthrough will help you build a simple, reliable report you can use for collections follow-up. Let's get right into it inside QuickBooks Online Advanced. First, look to the left navigation panel and click Reports. This is your home base for every financial view in QuickBooks. Once the Reports page loads, switch to the Standard tab. This tab contains the core reports that come ready to use without needing any advanced setup. From there, find and select the Open Invoice report. This is the one you'll use for collections. In fact, this report is essentially your collections report because it shows all invoices that are still unpaid, grouped by customer, with the amounts due. It's perfect for tracking who needs a reminder and how much is outstanding. Now, let's make it more useful for your workflow. Edit the date range at the top to match the time frame you want to review. If you're doing a weekly or monthly collections review, choose the current period. If you want the complete picture of what's unpaid, regardless of when it was created, pick a wider range, like all dates. The aging columns on this report will still help you see what's current, 30 days, 60 days, or more past due. So set the dates to support how you manage follow-ups. Next, adjust the columns to include the details that matter to you. Add or remove columns such as due date, terms, aging, balance, and the memo or description if you need context about each invoice. Including due date and aging can help you quickly spot what's urgent, while balance shows you the amount to prioritize by impact. If your business uses classes, locations, or sales reps, bringing those columns in can make it easier to route follow-up tasks within your team. Keep the layout clean and focused so it's easy to read at a glance. When your dates and columns look right, click Save at the top right. Saving locks in your customization so you don't have to set it up again next time. From now on, you can come back to this open collections report and it will be ready for your reviews and calls. And that's it. You've turned the Open Invoice report into a straightforward collections tool that helps you stay on top of unpaid invoices and keep cash flow moving. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this process anytime you want to refine your view.